Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's spooky Halloween video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw an easy cartoon Frankenstein. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin with the head. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make like a square shape. So we want to draw a line that goes down. We want to leave some space and then let's make another line that goes down here. I'm going to make a line that goes straight across. And we'll make another one that goes straight across right here so we can shape out the head. The first thing I want to do is I want to add some hair. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to make a little line that goes up and then one that does the same over here. Next, we're going to make a little zigzag pattern across here. So it's just going to go down and up, all the way across. So we're going to make a little zigzag pattern that goes all the way across. Next, we want to draw the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that goes straight across. And I'm going to then make a smiley face here and a smiley face right here. Next, I'm going to add two little black dots inside of the eyes. And I'm going to add a little curved line for a nose, or kind of like a little sad face. Right here, I'm going to add a nice smile. And on each side of the head, I'm going to draw a little half circle for the ears. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to go over and then up for the neck. On each side of the neck, you want to draw a little tiny rectangle shape for the little bolts that are kind of coming out of his neck. Now we want to draw the body. So I'm actually going to start back up here by the neck because I want it to look like he's got some big shoulders. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw two lines that go out. Then we want to draw two lines going down. So I'll draw a line that goes down here and a line that goes down here. Next, we just want to draw a line that goes over on each side. And then a line that goes up for the arms. At the end of each arm, draw a small smiley face for the hands. Then draw a line that goes down, over, and up for the body. For the legs, you just want to draw a line that goes down on each side. Then draw a line that goes over. Next, we're just going to make a little line that goes up and then down. For the feet, it's really easy. Draw a line that goes down. It's going to come over and up. Same thing here. You're just going to curve a line. It's going to go down. It's going to go over and then come back up. Then draw a little line that goes straight across along the bottom of each shoe. Now up here by the neck, we want to draw two lines that go down so it looks like he's wearing a big jacket. And then I'm going to add a little line that goes down with a couple little lines across for like a little stitch mark. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon Frankenstein. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.